morning, everyone. Our Managing Director, Srimati Kranti Garu, and Sri Ibrahim Garu, MD of TTF. It is a true pleasure and an honor to stand here today in inauguration of TTF Hyderabad 25, a key event setting the stage for the upcoming festive and winter travel season. I extend a warm welcome to all the exhibitors, delegates, esteemed guests, and travel professionals. We have gathered here in Hyderabad International Convention Center. Tourism, as we all know, is much more than just travel and leisure. It is a powerful engine for holistic development. Economically, it is a key job creator supporting livelihoods from large hotel chains to small local artisans and also vendors. It drives investment, stimulates infrastructure development, and brings essential revenue to our communities. Socially and culturally, tourism is the invaluable bridge. It fosters understanding and respect between diverse communities, preserves our heritage, and celebrates our unique cultural identities. It enriches the lives of those who travel and those who host. As the host state, Telangana is proud to showcase its incredible potential. Hyderabad, our dynamic technology hub, is rightly celebrated for its robust infrastructure and outward-looking populace, making it a crucial market for both domestic and international travel. However, I want to emphasize that the true heart of Telangana lies not just in our metropolitan cities alone.
Exhibitors, the travel agents, hotels, state tourism boards, to the largest and oldest trade travel fair of India, the TTF Hyderabad. So I also welcome you all to the land of Telangana, which is a place of ancient heritage and ancient temples, where the stories are etched in stone. It is also a place of majestic forts and monuments, which etch the stories of Nizams, Qutub Shahis and Asaf Zahis. It is also the land of Acharya Nagarjuna, who is the proponent of Mahayana Buddhism, and welcome you to the land of Buddhavanam, which is a place of living Buddha and where the stories of life of Buddha are etched. So, as I speak here, Telangana has announced the tourism policy 2025 to 2030, aiming to attract investment of 15,000 crores over the next 5 years, providing employment to 3 lakh people. So this we plan to achieve by developing special tourism areas, focusing on experiences to the tourists. We are also positioning Hyderabad as the most preferred medical tourism hub, bringing out a medical tourism society with a transparent medical value tourism platform, which will be of use to international medical tourists. We are also planning to launch custom tours, where the tourist can be from the point they come into airport to the point they are again dropped off to airport. The TGTDC will be providing the custom tours to the people, ensuring the safety and security, and also booking the tour as per the needs of the tourists. So several initiatives are being taken up by Telangana Tourism. Our Honorable Minister also will be speaking of the initiatives. So I request all of you to be part of the Telangana tourism growth story. Collaborate and let us work together to position Telangana as the most preferred tourism hub in India. Thank you.
TTF or Travel and Tourism Fair is India's biggest network of travel shows, which we organize all over India in the main travel and tourism markets. We started this in 1989, so we've been doing it for the last 35 years. TTF Hyderabad, we started in the year 2003, and we've been now doing it every year since then. This year, TTF Hyderabad in 2025, it has over 150 exhibitors from 10 states and from 5 countries. And they have all come here to interact with the travel trade of Hyderabad, Secunderabad, the other cities in Telangana, and also in neighboring Andhra Pradesh. And they have all come here to interact with the travel trade of this region, to do business with them and to showcase their destinations and to sell their destinations and packages and deals for the upcoming vacation season which is coming up, peak vacation season, which is the Dasera, the Diwali and the winter vacation season. So that's the reason why they are all here, to interact with the travel trade of Telangana and of Andhra Pradesh.